Docker has become a buzzword in the development community, but is it really as essential as everyone claims? Today, we're diving into what Docker offers and whether it lives up to the hype for developers. So, what exactly is Docker? At its core, Docker is a platform that allows developers to automate the deployment of applications in lightweight portable containers. This means you can package your app with all its dependencies and run it consistently across different environments, whether that's on your local machine, a server, or in the cloud. One of the standout features of Docker is its simplicity. The user experience is designed to be intuitive, making it easier for both seasoned developers and newcomers to get started. However, while it's great for containerization, there are some nuances about orchestration and networking that can feel a bit overwhelming at first. If you're in a team setting or working on larger projects, Docker really shines by helping maintain consistency across environments. But there's a learning curve involved, especially when diving into more advanced features. For those just starting out, it may take some time to fully grasp how everything fits together. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Docker significantly speeds up the development process by allowing you to create, test, and deploy applications quickly. It also promotes collaboration among teams, since everyone can work in the same environment. However, it's not without its drawbacks. Some users find that troubleshooting can be tricky, especially if you're not familiar with containerization concepts. Plus, while Docker is generally free, there are costs associated with certain enterprise features that might not be clear up front. For smaller projects or individual developers, Docker might feel a bit heavyweight. If your needs are simple, you might want to explore lighter alternatives. But for those in larger teams or scaling up projects, Docker could be a game changer. In conclusion, Docker is definitely worth considering if you're looking to streamline your development process and ensure consistency across environments. However, if you're just starting out or working on simpler applications, it may be more than you need. Overall, it has the potential to transform how you build and deploy applications, but approach it with a bit of caution.